Good morning, students. In this class, I'll be doing class 10 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, 4th chapter geometry, exercise 4.4, 13th sum. Draw two tangents from a point which is 10 centimeter away from the center of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Also measure the length of the tangents. So, first one is, I'll take a point. From that, I have to construct a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So this is the center point. So this is the radius. The radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. Then 10 centimeter away from this. So from the center point, 10 centimeter away. Draw two tangents from a point which is 10 centimeter away from the center of a circle. So this is the center of the circle. From this, I'll take a point A such that length of OA is 10 centimeter. That is, it is 10 centimeter away from the center of the circle. So from this point, from this A, I have to construct tangents. So for constructing tangents, I have to draw perpendicular bisector for this such that I'll get a center point for this. So joining this. So taking the center point as M here, OM and AM as radius, I'll draw a circle. So I got 2 points here, P and Q. So when I join this PA and QA, that will be the tangents for the circle with radius 5 centimeter from the point A, that is 10 centimeter away from the circle. So here I have to measure the length of the tangents and check whether that is equal with the help of the original measurements. That is, if I take OPA as a right angle triangle such that OP is perpendicular to PA, OP is the radius. We know that radius and the tangents are perpendicular to each other, that is, they will be 90 degree. So OA will be the hypotenuse. So OA squared is equal to OP squared plus PA squared. So PA is the tangent. So that length of the tangents we are asked to find. So PA squared is equal to OA squared minus OP squared. So OA is 10 centimeter. So that is 10 squared minus OP is 5 squared. So this is 10 tens are 100, 100 minus 5 5s are 25. So 100 minus 25, that is equal to 75. So PA squared is equal to 75. So PA is equal to root 75. So root 75 value is approximately equal to 8.7 centimeter. So I have to check the circle whether I am getting 8.7. So this is, see here. So 8.7 approximately I am getting. So this is 8.7 approximately I am getting. So both the tangents will be of the same measurement. So 8.7. So getting it. Okay, so we have to check the length of the tangents by doing this verification using Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Thank you.